Welcome back to Solid Home Improvement, and today I'm gonna move that big stone to fix it, because if I look, you can just see you almost just hit the ground. Almost bad. Alright, but see, it's kind of like it's crooked. It's not lined up and it sticks out like 6 inches. There's a big gap of dirt there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig out all this dirt, push this stone back, and then take this stone, flip it, put it down, make one even step, and it should fix this. The other day I leveled this part right there, sunk in a lot, and there was a big puddle anytime it rained, but now it's flat, it's even, and it lines up with that nice curve. So let me get you guys set up, and we'll start doing what we do. Alright, we got it all dug out. A big pile of dirt. So now let's see if we can fit this stone there, and then take this and push it that way. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, new plan. Because that's just not gonna work. Unless I push this stone out this way, but I don't wanna do that because then I'd have to add more stones there. I don't wanna do that, so I'm gonna take this, try to just push it up a little bit. So let's see if we can do that instead. All right, so second attempt, and this is what we came up with. That leveled, and I put some stones right there. Make sure it's better. Close the gap a little bit. Now I just have to pick up my mess. So let me just do that, and then we'll be right back.